As the leaves change and start to fall, it's the perfect time for moms to embrace new health habits for the fall season. In this video, we'll explore 5 healthy habits to start this fall that will help you feel energized, balanced, and ready to take on the season. Welcome to Mom Wellness Hacks, health made simple for busy moms. Ready for some autumn health benefits? Let's dive in. Number 1, start the day with morning movement. With the crisp fall air, there's no better time to kickstart your day with some morning movement. Whether it's a brisk walk, a 10-minute stretch, or a light yoga, getting your body moving in the morning boosts your mood, increases energy, and helps you stay productive throughout the day. Tip: aim for at least 15 minutes of morning movement to refresh both your body and mind. Number 2, seasonal fall eating. Fall brings a bounty of delicious and nutritious seasonal foods. Embrace the harvest by incorporating fall fruits and vegetables like pumpkins, apples, sweet potatoes, and squash into your meals. These foods are packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants that boost your immune system and energy levels. Tip: try making roasted veggies, hearty soups, or a simple apple and cinnamon oatmeal for a nutritious fall meal. Number 3, prioritize rest and sleep. As days get shorter, it's important to focus on getting enough rest. Prioritizing sleep and downtime helps reduce stress and allows you to recharge for the busy holiday season ahead. Create a calming bedtime routine with herbal tea, reading, or a warm bath to improve sleep quality. Tip: aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep and keep a consistent bedtime routine to help your body adjust to fall's slower pace. Number 4, practice gratitude daily. Fall is a season of gratitude, making it the perfect time to start a daily gratitude practice. Reflecting on what you're thankful for, whether through journaling or a few quiet moments of reflection, can boost your mood and help you stay grounded during the busy months ahead. Tip: each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for to cultivate a positive mindset. Number 5, spend time outdoors. Fall offers cooler temperatures and beautiful scenery, making it a great time to get outdoors. Whether it's a nature walk, a trip to the park with your kids, or just soaking in the fall foliage, spending time outside improves your mental health and helps you reconnect with nature. Tip: try to spend at least 20 minutes outside each day to soak up the fall beauty and boost your mood. These 5 simple habits can help you feel your best this fall. From incorporating fall's harvest in your recipes to spending time outdoors, these changes will help you stay energized, healthy, and balanced as the seasons change. Start small and make them part of your daily routine to see the benefits. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Also, check out more videos on our channel for more simple tips to boost your health and productivity, designed just for busy moms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.